Welcome in, Nicholas. We will get started here in just a few minutes. Let everybody filter in here. This is our second break of the evening. This is our 6 blaster box of NFL Matt. We are doing good. We did not pull a kaboom out of the absolute blaster break. I was hoping to pull a kaboom finally, but hopefully we pull some nice stuff out of these wild card Matt blasters this evening. Give it a few more minutes here to let everybody join in that wants to join in live, and we will get ripping. We have 6 blasters, 3 of the white, 3 of the black. I will alternate between white and black for this break. We do have the possibility of having chase packs in the blasters for this evening. So the blue is the chase pack we're looking for in the white packs. The red is the chase packs we are looking for in the black blasters. If we happen to grab a chase pack out of any of these blasters, we will open that as the last pack for those blasters. If we get multiple, we'll just stack them. So we look like, let me double check and make sure we're not having any pending eBay messages or Facebook groups. And I have ripped a few of these, not in a break, Nicholas, but for my personal ripping, and we also rip stuff with my kids. One thing I will tell you, I have noticed, it is really odd, but I have opened the exact same packs, so exact same cards, out of the same blaster. So if you like the cards that came out, it was fine. If you didn't like the cards that came out, it wasn't the best blaster. So, kind of a short print run on these, not a ton. Like some of the bigger sets, they are definitely all rookies, so it is the all rookie card edition. So, I have noticed there does seem to be some duplicates, but if they're duplicates on the teams that you were looking for and the players you were looking for, it does seem to be, when you're hot, you're hot, at least blaster to blaster. So it is interesting, but I do like the cards. I think that all of the cards out of these sets, both black and white, are sweet looking. The chase cards are sweet looking. I like the inserts. I like the smoking guns. So we will get started here. People are starting to filter in. This is Insanespiv's Breaks. I believe we are on number 35, if my memory serves me correct. We are breaking 3 white blasters of the Matt, 3 black blasters of the Matt. I've got sleeves ready. Since this is an all rookie card edition, all cards will be sleeved at a minimum. A lot of those will be top loaded, especially the first round quarterbacks, and the nice inserts will be sleeved as well. We're going to start off with a white blaster this evening, so thank you guys for joining me. Welcome in if you're the first time with us. Welcome back for you repeat breakers. In the first blaster, we did not hit a chase pack, so we have 4 white packs out of the first blaster. We're just going to rip from top to bottom. One thing I've also noticed on these, Nicholas, and the few that I have opened, they definitely are sealed well compared to some of the other manufacturers. So I want to make sure that I open them carefully. Sometimes they are harder to open than a normal pack. The cello or the packaging is definitely thicker than some of the other manufacturers. So definitely don't want to damage any of the cards attempting to open the the superior packaging of these. So I apologize if it takes me a minute to open them. They're definitely harder to open than a normal pack. And I noticed that also when I was ripping hanger boxes as well out of these. It's just like a triple layer of cello and stuff. So unfortunately we do see the back card sometimes, but I just want to make sure I get these out of here cleanly, and I hope you guys appreciate that with the moment that we do have to look at the back card for a minute. Travis Etienne will start us off. Rousseau is going to go to the Bills. Rondell Moore going to the Cardinals. Tryon to the Buccaneers. Eskridge comes up for the Seahawks. There's Sewell. Caleb Farley to the Titans, and Surtain headed the Broncos' way. Into our inserts. Oh, that is a nice Weekend Warriors with a scratch of Justin Fields on the bottom, straight out of the pack. We will still sleeve her up, but there does appear to be a scratch on the bottom of that Justin Fields for the Bears. And Greg Rousseau in the red X Factor, or X Rookie. These are the X Factor Explode. That's what they are. So Rousseau to the Bills in the red Explode. Pack number 2. See if I can open this one any faster. They are just tough to open. There's a Mac Jones, started off in the white variety. Mac Jones base. Every time I see this card out of this set, it makes me think that the white stripe glare from the photo almost lines up with the line on his helmet, but not quite. Behind that, we have a Tylan Wallace. Parsons going to the Cowboys. Jamie Newman. Cade Johnson. Justin Fields in white base form. Etienne, white base. Kyle Trask, white base in the parallels. There's a nice blue Mac Jones. Some sort of line across that one too. Man, I have had some print line bad luck lately. But there's a blue Rookie Heat Mac Jones. We have, I believe this is the teal Rookie X Factor in Asante Samuel. And a Justin Fields base. That pack opened a little easier. With a Kyle Trask on the front. There's a St. Brown to the Lions. Yeah, it does look like a gladiator helmet with the metal nose piece. I agree on that Mac Jones. Tylan Wallace. Parsons again to the Cowboys. Cade Johnson. Justin Fields base again. Travis Etienne as well to the Jags. Kyle Trask again. There's a Greg Newsome with the Rookie Heat. And Jalen Phillips in the bronze or gold Rookie X Factor. Last pack of our first blaster. This one wants to go this way. Let's see if it's any easier. Nope. That's a first for me out of these blasters. We have either a filler card on the back, security tag, I'm guessing. That's what it probably is. Najee Harris makes an appearance for the Steelers. There's our first Zach Wilson for the Jets. Najee again. So double Najee pack. Javonte Williams to the Broncos. Boogie Basham to the Bills. Quiddy Pay. There's our first Trevor Lawrence in white. Headed to the Jags. Landon Dickerson to the Eagles. Devontae Smith also to the Eagles. And Trevor Moehrig to the Raiders. And it's just a filler. That's the first filler I've had without a security tag. Out of these, we're going to go to black next. And our second blaster of this break, let's see if we can hit a red chase pack out of here. That would be nice. Looking for red, looking for red. I see red. Our first chase pack of the evening, we will open at the end of this blaster. And 3 black packs. So we did pull a chase out of blaster number 2. Give me 1 second to have my assistant grab me some more sleeves. Hey, Kyler, can you bring me some of those sleeves, please? Out of that sack. Sorry about that. I have the wrong size sleeves here, and I will get the right ones. Because we want to sleeve up those chase ones for sure in the correct size sleeves so they're not sliding around. Perfect. Thank you, Ty. So I will get the right sleeves out here. And we will continue on. Michael's looking for a Mac Jones out of the chase pack. That would be nice. So we could hit some Mac Joneses before the chase pack and some in the chase pack. I think Michael will be okay with that as well. Our first black pack, here we go. Got that one to open up with not necessarily revealing the back card. Etienne in black. Justin Fields base in black. Mac Jones. There's a Mac Jones for Michael. With the Gladiator helmet. I'm going to start using that. I'm going to steal that from you. Tylan Wallace. Kyle Trask. Greg Newsome. Cade Johnson. St. Brown to the Lions. The insert is Javonte Williams in the, I call this the regular fire. Rookie heat headed the Broncos' way, and a Jamie Newman Weekend Warriors. Would love to see a different quarterback in the Weekend Warriors variety. So there's a Mac Jones in base black. Headed the Patriots' way. Next black pack, we are going to see Elijah Mitchell for the Jets makes an appearance. There's Dwamie Brown for the football team. Osai. Waddle makes an appearance for the Dolphins. Adebayo in black base. Ian Book to the Saints. Trevor Lawrence again for the Jags. And Bateman is going to the Ravens. There's another X Factor, Greg Rousseau to the Bills. And a X Factor, Jalen Phillips. Kind of color match there with the little green on his college jersey. Like I said, guys, all of these cards will be sleeved. Majority of the inserts and big hits, even bases, will be top-loaded. I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch me sleeve and top-load cards. We'd rather rip, so I will sleeve and top-load them off camera. Trask headed to the Bucks. Waddle again to the Dolphins. There's a first Terrace Marshall Jr. to the Panthers. Trey Sermon to the Niners. There's a black Mac Jones. So that's the second one out of this blaster, I believe, headed Michael's way. Kyle Pitts goes to the Falcons. Felipe Franks. Jalen Phillips. There's a Trevor Lawrence. Nice Trevor Lawrence rookie heat. That flame almost is a color match. Nice looking T-Law. Headed the Jags way out of that blaster. I like that card. That's a slick looking card. Might be the first one of those I've seen with that color rookie heat for Trevor Lawrence. Another Mac Jones black base. And we round it out with an X Factor Tyson Campbell, also to the Jags. Here's our first chase pack of the evening. Let's not make it our last chase pack. Let's make it the first of, well, we opened one without, so the first of 5. Let's do that. We'll see if we can hit more chase packs out of these blasters. All of the chase ones have the red background in the black cards. So there's a Tony for the Giants. Bateman to the Ravens. Cormo. Sean Wade. Javonte Williams in the chase pack for the Broncos. Sage Surratt to the Lions. Zach Wilson in the chase pack for the Jets. And Stokes to the Packers. Another Tony X Factor, green and red, and another Javonte Williams. That one does have a little line on it in the green and red chase pack. So the only quarterback we got out of the chase pack is the Zach Wilson in the chase base. Couple nice Tonys for the Giants and a couple nice Williams for the Broncos out of the chase pack, I believe. We're going to go right back to white, looking for our first blue chase pack of the break. Haven't seen a Parsons yet. No, we have not, Brandon. Let's see if we can pull some Parsons out of here. No blue, 4 white. So still no chase packs out of the white blasters. We got one white blaster left to hit a chase pack out of. Brandon's looking for some nice Micah Parsons. Michael's still looking for a big Mac Jones. That's something other than a base. And the X Factor on this one's going to the Raiders. There's a Zach Wilson base to the Jets. Javonte Williams to the Broncos. Sean Wade. Tony again to the Giants. Stokes. Surratt to the Lions. Stokes again. Double Stokes pack. Bateman to the Ravens. Here's a Weekend Warriors. It is Zach Wilson to the Jets. And we saw the Morig, which was the X Factor. It's always Javonte Williams. Well, the Broncos are liking the Javonte Williams. Oh, this might be our first back-to-back same pack. We got the same X Factor and Trevor Morig in the same color. So if my personal rips have told me anything, if you did not like the previous pack, you may not like this pack. Let's see, is it different? Oh, we didn't have a Najee last pack, so it may be different. Najee to the Steelers, Zach Wilson in white base. Double Najee pack. That's a second double Najee pack. And there's always another Javonte Williams for the Broncos. Boogie Basham to the Bills. Kwity Paye. There's a Trevor Lawrence. Landon Dickerson. Devontae Smith with the blue flame. And Morig again to the Raiders. So Trevor Lawrence in white base. Zach Wilson in white base. Pack number 3 of Blaster number 3. Cade Johnson starts us off, followed by Jamie Newman. There's a Parsons. That's the first Parsons, I believe, going the Cowboys' way. Tylan Wallace. Mac Jones Gladiator helmet base form in white. So there's a Mac Jones, another base Mac Jones. Behind that, St. Brown to the Lions. Newsome. Trask to the Bucks. X Factor, Jalen Phillips, and Mac Jones. Green Flame got a sideways line on that one. I used to think that these wild cards, the QC was definitely better than Panini, but these have not impressed me. We started off with a Parsons again for the Cowboys. We have a Tyson Campbell for the Jags. Michael Carter for the Jets. Jarrett Patterson. Farley to the Titans. Tony to the Giants. Morig again to the Raiders. Kylan Hill. Zach Wilson with the Blue Flame and a line. And Etienne going the Jags way. Would be a color match for the pro uniform on that X Factor. On to our second black blaster of the evening. We hit a chase pack in the first one. See if we see red in this one. No red. All black. Moving right along. Javonte Williams again in black base for the Broncos. Bateman to the Ravens. Stokes. Tony to the Giants. Owosu Koromoa. Base. Stokes again. Sage Surratt to the Lions. X Factor Surtain. Nice Surtain there to the Broncos. That one's looking pretty decent. Don't see any lines on that X Factor. Hopefully we got a good print run here going. And a Penei Sewell with the blue rookie heat. Start this one off with Waddle for the Dolphins. Terrace Marshall Jr. for the Panthers. Kyle Pitts to the Falcons. Amari Rogers makes an appearance. Brevin Jordan. Jalen Phillips. Mac Jones in black base. Kyle Trask to the Bucks. There's a Tyson Campbell to the Jags in the red X Factor. And purple flame rookie heat. Trevor Lawrence to the Jags. Mac in black. We got the blue Penny Sewell at the back. Is this our first double pack? We'll see. Eric Stokes, Tony to the Giants, Surratt to the Lions, Zach Wilson base to the Jets, Sean Wade, Bateman to the Ravens, Stokes again. We got Dio, Surtain again in the X Factor. So similar pack as the last one that had the Surtain X Factor. And Penny Sewell Blue Flame. Another Zach Wilson black base. Last pack of this Black Blaster. Huh, really? Well, we got another Penny Sewell Blue Flame. I believe that is the third one out of this blaster. Sean Wade. Tony to the Giants. Javonte Williams to the Broncos. Deo. Bateman to the Ravens. Stokes to the Packers. Owosu Koromoa. Zach Wilson base again. Surtain, X Factor, and Sewell rookie heat. So yeah, at least the inserts out of those were the same. And we got a Zach Wilson base. Might have been one of those where it was the exact same pack in the blaster. Notice that. And when you like the cards, it's awesome. If it's not yours, not the best. All right, here we are, our last white blaster of this break. Looking for our first blue chase pack. I'm hoping that this has it in it. Let's look for some blue. Well, we did not hit a blue chase pack out of this break. We have 4 more whites. Brandon's wanting the Parsons repeat insert. Yeah, if we get a repeat one, it's awesome when it's your team. So we're looking for Parsons repeats. That's what Brandon's looking for, and that's what Brandon's calling. Let's see if we can pull them. Oh, see, I did not know that about Wild Card. With the barcode, they will replace the box with all the repeat cards. I have not heard that for Wild Card. Terrace Marshall to the Panthers. Felipe Franks. There's a new one. Rochelle Holland. A little different print run here. It looks like Devontae Smith. Friar Moose. So definitely on some newer different cards that we haven't seen yet for this break. Cade Johnson. And Patrick Surtain in white base. Weekend Warriors is Caleb Farley to the Titans and X Factor Ernest Jones. So we did not get a Parsons. So Brandon is not wanting a duplicate pack here out of this blaster. The back card's not a duplicate if you saw it. Kyle Pitts to the Falcons. There's our first Trey Lance, I believe, to the Niners. Might be our second. Broom is a new one as well. Ian Book to the Saints. Olajare. J.C. Horn. Shi Smith. Kwity Paye. Insert is Ernest Jones. We got an insert of him, I believe, last pack. Just a different one. This is Green Rookie Heat and Devontae Smith with the red X Factor to the Eagles. And Trey Lance white base. Next to last white pack for this break. Starts off with a Kyle Pitts to the Falcons. There's another Trey Lance, so same print run, just a little earlier. Broom again. Behind that is a book again. Olajare. J.C. Horn. Shi Smith. And Kwity Paye. Behind that, Ernest Jones, Green Flame. And Devontae Smith, Red X Factor. So that is definitely doubled up, I believe. But the Niners will take the base Trey Lances out of the double up. And on to the last pack of white. If I can get her open. And this one might be a double up of the first pack out of this one because we had an Ernest Jones at the back of that one. Let's see. Terrace Marshall Jr. to the Panthers. Felipe Franks. Rochelle. Holland. Looking like it. Devontae Smith. Base. Freiermuth. Cade Johnson. Patrick Surtain to the Broncos. Weekend Warriors is Farley. And Ernest Jones. So it looked to me like we had 4 packs in that blaster, and there was 2 of each of the same pack. Last blaster of the break. Looking for another chase pack here. Then we can get something different. So we're looking for another red chase pack out of this wild card map break. And we go all black in the last blaster. So good luck to everybody. Thank you for breaking with me. The video will be uploaded to YouTube after the break. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can send me an eBay message, a Facebook message. Contact information is also found on my website, Insanespiv.com. I thank you guys for breaking with me. There's a black Trey Lance base. Haven't seen that, I don't believe. Rondell Moore. Jalen Phillips. Devontae Smith black base. Ellinger to the Colts. Penei Sewell. Justin Fields black base. There's a Jalen Waddle green X Factor. And a Weekend Warriors Davis Mills. So a couple first-round quarterbacks out of that pack, and Fields and Lance in the black base. I'm sorry, Brandon, that luck is not headed your way. We still got 3 packs left. I think you're looking for some Parsons. Let's see if we can pull a Parsons insert out of here for you. There's a Najee Harris black base. Javonte Williams, Zach Wilson base. Samuel Jr. Dickerson. Trevor Lawrence. So second pack with 2 first-round quarterbacks. Hunter Long. Najee again in this pack. Elijah Moore in the X Factor. And Rondell Moore in the blue rookie heat. So Moores are back-to-back in the inserts. Trevor Lawrence base. Zach Wilson base. So we had Lawrence and Wilson in that pack. Fields and Lance in the other pack. Let's see what this pack will give us. It is the Trey Lance pack. Rondell Moore to the Cardinals. Phillips. Devontae Smith. Ellinger to the Colts. Penei Sewell again. Elijah Moore, Davis Mills. Here's a purple Jalen Waddle. And a Davis Mills Weekend Warrior. Last pack of the break, everyone. Thank you so much for breaking with me. Can't do it without you guys. Let's see if we have another double pack. Well, we've got Penei Sewell in a lot of them, so we got Sewell followed by Hubbard. Travis Etienne to the Jags. Rousseau to the Bills. J.C. Horn. Caleb Farley to the Titans. Tryon to the Bucks. Another Eskridge to the Seattle Seahawks. That might be the second one. An X-Factor, Javonte Williams to the Broncos. And we wrap it up with a Blue Flame, Kyle Pitts to the Falcons. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next time.